Welcome back viewers. In today's video we will be installing the Mate desktop on MX Linux 21.3. So let us start. I have opened up the MX Linux package installer. So this is the MX package installer. You have to open the popular applications tab and then select desktop environments, and here you can see the Mate option. You have to tick and then hit the install button. Now the installation of Mate desktop has started. It is fully automatic. We just wait for the installation to complete. Okay, so now there is a dialog box that tells us that Mate core, Mate desktop environment, these two packages will be installed to install the Mate desktop on MX Linux 21.3. So around 40.2 MBs of archives will be downloaded, and after unpacking 222 MB of the disk space will be used. So we will have to click the OK button. If you want, we can check out the details. So these are all the different packages that will be installed to realize the Mate desktop on MX Linux. So you have to hit the OK button. Okay, so the installation is complete. I will stop the video here. In the next video, we will check out the Mate desktop that has been installed in this video. So see you then. Bye.